With record-breaking sales, tight inventory, and fast-moving houses, it must be the Columbus Real Estate Market Report. Hello everyone, Michael Dalton here, your trusted Columbus Realtor with the Matt C Group powered by eXp Realty. Today I'm bringing you the latest real estate market report for Columbus, Ohio for the week of July 5th, 2023. You know, the real estate market in Columbus has continued to thrive throughout the first half of the year. If you've been following these updates, you know that inventory levels remain tight while home prices keep rising. In the last week alone, we've seen a decrease of 43 homes hitting the market. However, this comes as no surprise since we witnessed a record-breaking 734 homes being sold last week. Currently, we have 2,621 active coming soon listings and 3,059 properties pending, resulting in just under a month's worth of inventory. The average sales price for homes last week was $378,000, marking an impressive 18% increase in home values since January. Notably, there was a remarkable sale on Exmoor Road in Columbus, which is this week's highest property sold for $2.1 million, exceeding the asking price by $351,000. Once again, the number of days a home spends on the market remains crucial for maximizing your sales price. As I've emphasized throughout the year, last week's average days on the market stood at 19. Interestingly, 53% of all homes sold last week spent 5 days or less on the market and fetched an average of $13,000 over the asking price. Now let's talk about interest rates. This week, we're seeing rates below 7%, specifically around 6.84% on average for a 30-year fixed mortgage. That concludes this week's Columbus Real Estate Market Report, tailored to meet the needs of homeowners just like you. If you found today's content valuable, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tell a friend. Also, don't forget to visit my website, mynexthomecolumbus.com, for a free home evaluation. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I'm here to answer any questions you may have. See you next week.